Chapter 1, A Friend's Voice. Hello there, my friend. It is so good to be with you. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable. I want to tell you a story. It is a long story. It is a special story. This story is about a boy. His name is Arjun. Arjun was 10 years old, just like you. He lived in a small village. The village was near a big green forest. Arjun felt small sometimes. He felt shy. He felt scared of many things. Do you ever feel like that? It is okay. Many people do. Arjun thought he could not do big things. He thought his dreams were too far away. But this story is about how Arjun learned. He learned step by step. He learned about life. He learned about himself. And I will tell you everything, word by word, slowly. Let us begin our journey with Arjun. Chapter 2, The First Lesson, Your Morning Secret. Every morning, Arjun's day began late. He would wake up when the sun was already high. He felt tired. He rushed to get ready. He missed his breakfast. He ran to school. He was always late. His teacher, Mr. Das, was a kind man. He saw Arjun running one day. Mr. Das stopped him. He talked in a soft voice. Arjun, he said, why are you running? I am late, sir, Arjun said. He was breathing fast. Did the sun wake up late today? Mr. Das asked. Arjun thought. No, sir. The sun was on time. Ah, Mr. Das smiled. The sun is very disciplined. It rises at the same time, every single day. It never says, I'm too tired today. That is why the whole world can depend on it. Arjun listened. He looked at the ground. Discipline is not a big, scary word, Arjun, Mr. Das said. It is just a small promise. A promise you make to yourself. And you keep it. What promise? Arjun asked. A simple one. Like, I will wake up when my alarm rings. Just that one thing. If you can keep that one promise, you feel strong. You start your day with a win. That day, Arjun went home. He thought about the sun. He set his alarm clock for 6 a.m. The next morning, the alarm rang. It was loud. Arjun wanted to sleep more, but he remembered the sun. The sun did not have a snooze button. He said to himself, one small promise. He got out of bed. He did it. He felt strange. The morning air was cool. The birds were singing. He had time. He ate his breakfast slowly. He walked to school. He was not running. He reached school early. He saw Mr. Das. Mr. Das gave him a big smile. Look at you, he said. You are not running. You are walking. You own your time. Arjun felt a warm feeling in his heart. It was a good feeling. He learned his first big lesson. Discipline means keeping a small promise to yourself. It makes you feel strong. It makes you the boss of your time. Chapter 3, The Seed of Confidence. At school, Arjun loved to draw. He drew pictures of the forest. He drew birds and trees, but he never showed his drawings to anyone. He kept them hidden in his book. He thought, my drawings are not good. People will laugh. One day, the school announced a drawing competition. All the children were excited. They talked about what they would draw. Arjun's heart beat fast. He wanted to join, but he felt scared. He went to his mother that evening. He was feeling sad. What is wrong, my child? His mother asked. There is a competition, mother. I want to draw, but I am afraid, Arjun said. His mother sat next to him. She held his hand. Arjun, she said, do you see that mango tree outside our window? Arjun looked at the big, strong tree. When that tree was a seed, it was small. It was under the dirt. It was dark and scary. Did the seed say, I am too small, I will not grow? No, it just pushed a little bit. Every day, it did not think about being a big tree. It just focused on growing today. She looked at Arjun. Your confidence is like that seed. It is inside you. You must push it a little. Just one small push. Show one drawing. That is all. The next day, Arjun took a deep breath. He took his best drawing. He walked to his teacher's desk. His hands were shaking. Sir, he said, his voice very quiet, I want to join the competition. Mr. Das took the drawing. He looked at it for a long time. Arjun, he said, this is beautiful. You see the world in a special way. Thank you for showing me. Arjun did not win the competition, but something bigger happened. He showed his drawing, and the world did not laugh. The world smiled. That was his small push. That was the seed growing. Confidence is not about being the best. It is about trying. It is about showing your work, even if your hands shake. Chapter 4, The Ant's Lesson on Hard Work. On his way to school, Arjun often saw an anthill. Thousands of tiny ants moved around it. They worked all day. Arjun would sometimes stop and watch them. One day he saw a big problem for the ants. A big leaf had fallen. It was blocking the door to their home. The ants could not move the leaf. It was too big for one ant. Arjun watched closely. He thought they would give up, but they did not. One ant called others. Soon, 10 ants came, then 20, then 50. They all went under the leaf. They pushed together. They pulled together. The leaf moved a tiny bit, then a little more. After a long time, the leaf moved away. The path was clear. Arjun was amazed. He ran to school and told Mr. Das about the ants. The ants, Mr. Das said. They are the greatest teachers. They do not have big muscles, but they have big hearts for work. But sir, the leaf was so big, Arjun said. Yes, for one ant it was impossible. For many ants working together it was just hard work. And hard work always wins. It may take time, but it always wins. Mr. Das wrote a sentence on the board. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. He said, remember this, Arjun. You can be very talented. You can be very smart. But if you do not work hard, it means nothing. The ant is not talented at moving big leaves, but it works hard, so it wins. From that day, Arjun changed his mind. When his math homework was difficult, he thought of the ants. He did not give up. He tried one more time. When learning a new song for school, he practiced. Again and again, he learned that hard work is like a superpower. Everyone has this superpower. You just have to use it. Chapter 5, The Jar of Time. Arjun had many things to do. Homework, drawing, helping his mother, playing with friends. He often felt there was not enough time. He said to Mr. Das, sir, the day is too short. I cannot finish my work. Mr. Das brought a jar to class the next day. He also brought big rocks, small pebbles, and sand. He asked Arjun to put everything into the jar. Arjun put the sand in first, then the pebbles. Then he tried to put the big rocks, but they did not fit. The jar was full. Now, Mr. Das said, let us try another way. He emptied the jar. He asked Arjun to put the big rocks in first. Arjun did. The rocks went in. Then he asked him to put the pebbles in. The pebbles rolled and filled the spaces between the rocks. Then he asked him to put the sand in. The sand filled all the tiny spaces left. Everything fit in the jar. Arjun's eyes opened wide. Had, he asked. This is time, Mr. Das said. The jar is your day. The big rocks are your most important things, like school, sleep, helping family. The pebbles are other important things, like playing and hobbies. The sand is the small things, like watching videos or just doing nothing. If you do the small things first, your day gets full. You have no space for the big, important things. But if you do the big, important things first, you will find there is still space for other things. You must decide what your big rocks are. Arjun went home. He made a list. His big rocks were school, homework, helping mother. His pebbles were drawing for 30 minutes, playing football. His sand was everything else. He did his big rocks first. He finished his homework. He helped his mother. Then he had time to draw. He had time to play. He did not feel rushed. He felt peaceful. Time management is not about doing more. It is about doing what is important first. Chapter 6, The Lost Coin and a Clear Heart. One afternoon, Arjun found a coin on the road. It was a shiny, new coin. He picked it up. He was happy. He could buy a sweet with it, but then he saw old Mrs. Mated. She was looking down at the ground. She seemed worried. Are you looking for something, grandmother? Arjun asked. Yes, child, she said. I dropped a coin. A new coin. It must be here somewhere. Arjun's hand closed around the coin in his pocket. He felt the coin. It felt hot now. He had a choice. He could be quiet. He could walk away. No one saw him find it. But his heart felt heavy. It felt wrong. He thought of Mr. Das's words. Honesty is for you. It makes your heart light. Arjun took a deep breath. He opened his hand. Is this your coin, grandmother? He asked. Mrs. Maida's face lit up. Yes, that is it. Thank you, honest boy. She took the coin. She patted his head. She smiled a warm smile. Arjun walked home. His pocket was empty, but his heart felt very light. It felt like a bird. He told his mother the story. His mother hugged him. That coin bought you something better than sweets, Arjun, she said. It bought you peace. You will sleep well tonight, because you did the right thing. Honesty is not about what others think of you. It is about what you think of yourself. When you are honest, you respect yourself. You can look in the mirror and smile. Chapter 7: The Mountain and Self-Belief. A big mountain stood near Arjun's village. It was very high. Its top was in the clouds. The village children would look at it. They would say, no one can climb that mountain. Arjun believed them. The mountain was too big, too scary. One day, a trekker came to the village. He was a man who climbed mountains. He wanted to climb their big mountain. The children gathered around him. You cannot climb it, they said. It is impossible. The trekker smiled. Let me tell you a secret, he said. Do you eat a banana in one big bite? The children laughed. No, you eat it bite by bite. Exactly, the trekker said. You do not look at the whole banana and say it is too big. You take one bite, then another. This mountain is the same. I do not look at the top. I look at the next step. Just the next step. I believe I can take that one step. Then I believe I can take the next one. The next morning, the trekker started his climb. Arjun watched him. The man did not run. He walked slowly. Step, pause, step, pause. He looked at the path right in front of him, not at the faraway top. After many days, the trekker came back. He had reached the top. He showed the children a picture from the top. The whole village looked like tiny dots. Arjun could not believe it. You really did it, he said. I did, the trekker said, because I never thought, can I climb the whole mountain? I only thought, can I take this one step? And the answer was always yes. Arjun learned a big lesson. Self-belief is not about shouting, I am the best. It is about whispering, I can take the next step. When you face a big problem, do not look at all of it. Look at the small part you can do right now. Believe you can do that. Then do the next part. Chapter 8: The Slow Bridge of English. Arjun's village got a new family. They spoke English at home. Arjun wanted to talk to their son, Sam, but he was afraid. His English was not good. He knew only a few words from school. He told Mr. Das about his fear. English is just a language, Arjun, Mr. Das said. It is a bridge to talk to more people. How do you build a bridge? Brick by brick? Arjun asked. Yes, word by word, Mr. Das said. You do not need to know all the words today. Learn one new word. Use it. Say hello. Say thank you. That is your first brick. The next day, Arjun saw Sam playing alone. Arjun felt nervous, but he remembered the bridge. He just needed one brick. He walked up. He smiled. He said the word he practiced. Hello. Sam looked up. He smiled back. Hello. Arjun pointed to the ball. Play? He asked. Yes, let's play, Sam said. They started playing football. They did not talk much, but they laughed a lot. Later, Arjun learned a new word. Goal, he said when Sam scored. Sam laughed. Yes, goal. Every day, Arjun added one brick, one new word, one small sentence. How are you? Good pass. My name is Arjun. Sam spoke slowly. He did not laugh at Arjun's mistakes. He was a friend. After some months, Arjun could talk more. He made many mistakes, but he kept talking. He built his bridge, brick by brick, word by word. Learning English is not a race. It is a slow, steady walk. Learn one word today. Use it. That is enough. Tomorrow, learn another. Chapter 9, The Broken Pot and Not Giving Up. Arjun's mother had a beautiful clay pot. It was painted with blue flowers. Arjun was helping her clean. He picked up the pot. It slipped from his hands. It fell to the floor. It broke into many pieces. Arjun started to cry. I broke it. It is ruined. His mother came. She did not get angry. She looked at the pieces. Bring me the special glue, she said. Arjun brought the glue. He watched his mother. She picked up the pieces. One by one, she glued them together. It took a long time. The pot was back together, but it had cracks all over. The lines were ugly. It is still broken, Arjun said sadly. Wait, his mother said. She took some gold powder. She mixed it with the glue. She carefully filled all the cracks with the gold glue. She left it to dry. The next morning, she showed Arjun the pot. Arjun gasped. The pot was more beautiful than before. The golden cracks shone like lightning in the sky. The pot had a new story. In Japan, his mother said, this art is called kintsugi. It means golden repair. They believe that when something breaks, it does not mean it is the end. You can fix it, and the cracks make it more beautiful. They show its history. They show its strength. She held Arjun's hands. You will fall in life. You will feel broken, like a pot on the floor. That is okay. Do not throw the pieces away. Pick them up. Fix yourself. Your cracks, your mistakes, your failures will become your golden lines. They will make you more beautiful. They will make you stronger. Never, ever give up on yourself. Arjun never forgot the golden pot. It taught him that failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success. When you fall, get up. Fix yourself. Your scars are your gold. Chapter 10, The Story of You. My dear friend, this was the story of Arjun. But it is also a story for you. Look at how much Arjun learned. He learned discipline from the sun. He learned confidence from a seed. He learned hard work from the ants. He learned time from a jar. He learned honesty from a coin. He learned self-belief from a mountain. He learned English word by word. He learned to never give up from a broken pot. He was not a superhero. He was a normal boy, just like you. He felt scared. He felt shy. He made mistakes, but he took small steps every single day. And that is the biggest secret of all. Big dreams are not made in one big jump. They are made in thousands of small steps. Your English journey is a small step. Learning a new word is a small step. Helping at home is a small step. Being honest is a small step. Every good thing you do today is a brick. You are building your beautiful life, brick by brick. A friend's final words. So, my wonderful friend, believe in yourself. I believe in you. Practice your English every day. Just 5 minutes. Listen, repeat. Do not be afraid to speak. Take small steps in your life. Be kind. Be honest. Work hard. Manage your time. You are growing, just like Arjun, just like the seed, just like the mountain climber. You can do amazing things. I am so proud of you for listening to this story, for wanting to learn, for being here. If this story helped you, if it made you feel strong, do a small kind thing for me. Please like this video. It tells me you were here. Please subscribe to our channel. It helps me make more stories for you, stories to help you grow. And if you know another friend who needs to hear this, please share this story with them. Be the one who helps a friend today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your beautiful heart. Keep walking step by step. I will see you in the next story. Until then, be your own best friend. Be kind to yourself. Goodbye for now.